All right, y'all, it's 4 o'clock. Here we go. 1 hour challenge. Ready, go. Okay, this is a 2x4x10. It's gonna make our 2 legs for the side. We're going 54 inches tall. It's gonna be a 70s kind of headboard. I saw this rug in the store the other day and I thought, man, that would make a cool headboard. And then a queen bed is 5 feet wide. 5 of these squares is 59.5 inches, which is pretty dang close to 60. So that's what we're going with. So our top piece and our plywood on the back will be 59.5 inches. So I got this runner for $22. It's like 8 feet long. It's so cool. We're going for a 70s vibe for our 70s trailer. Okay, I got a 2x10 to go on the bottom because when we put this together, I don't want the when you make the bed, I don't want the pillows to cover up most of the pretty stuff. So I'm gonna put the 2x10 on the bottom. It's all gonna make sense in a minute, I promise. So this one is 59.5 long too. We have a 54-inch leg. Screw it to the top piece. Okay, other 54-inch leg. Make sure you choose if you want your top piece to go inside to inside or to sit on the top and go all the way out and commit to it. Okay, we got a pack of 2x2s just to use for nailers. So the inside is 59.5, so we need 1 or 2.
One at the top.
1 across the top.
1 on the bottom and 2 on the side.
Okay, so we need 2 59.5 inch ones. Well, this table is very used and stained and painted, and it's what we do. It's what we do. Okay, we're gonna put the nailer all the way back because it gets a layer of plywood, and then the rug is pretty thick, and then we should have like an inch reveal right here. I'll show you after we put it on there what I'm talking about. We gotta get our height, 23.5. So the height of the 2 squares of the rug is 23.5. So the plywood sits on top of this and this one. So the nailer that goes in between these 2 need to have 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches, 3 inches taken off.
Sure.
Right, so 20.5 instead of 23.5, so it fits in here. So we need 2 20.5 inch nailers. Kind of see what we're going for here. Okay, now we need a piece of plywood, 59.5. 23.5, that's everything. That's our numbers. You're also gonna need some sawhorses, I forgot. Keep those handy. Alright, it's 4:44. Drama. We still gotta paint this thing. It's fine, everybody calm down. Okay, what are you doing?
Got the rug.
A rug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only put together with little pieces of jute rope. Yes. so easy. All right, look guys, that left us with a 2x3. What are we gonna make with that, Stanley?
Rug.
We can't leave a rug a rug. Hey, I'm gonna get a quick coat of paint on this. We got, oh my gosh, we got 11 minutes. We can do this. This is a new gray by Valspar. I'm so sick of gray, but I had this already, so we're gonna use it. We put our 2x10 on the bottom. We put it flush with this so it don't get weird with the pillow and your head and all that. So now we gotta take this off, throw this out of the way, paint it real quick, be right back. Okay, a little bit of blue. All right, it's 5 o'clock. Put it on there. Here we go. Okay, a few quick little nails. Alright guys, there it is. Look how cute. It really needs one more coat of paint. It is 5:03. Dang it, that's a win though in my book. That's gonna be beautiful. Love it. Love you.
Love you.